Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, we will be talking about how to write
conclusion section of an article.
Usually, we are happy at this stage. Why? Because this is usually the last part of your article or your research paper. So usually we feel that our article is going to end and soon we will be going to submit it into any journal for publication. So let's focus those points which we should focus while writing the discussion. So first point is we are going to repeat the main ideas. So after that we need to add some future statements. So how these two points are important while writing discussion. So the first point is repetition of main ideas. So while repeating the main ideas, we should only rephrase the main key points. Not we are going to rephrase the whole research or whole experiment results. We are only going to rephrase the main key points. And we also need to mention how the objectives of study were met in our experiment. So while dealing with the future statements, we have to mention that how our study is going to predict other future studies. So in this way, while keeping view of these 2 points, we can focus how to write discussion. So while moving to next point, we can see that how we can write conclusion and how we can focus those points which are necessary. So in simple words, we can say that in conclusion, you are going to behave like you are selling your fish. So whenever we see somebody who is selling your fish, so always he is going to value add. I mean, he is going to say, oh, it is very good, it is very best, maybe it is taste is very good. So you are also going to value add your experiment and your objectives of study, and you are going to link the data that you have presented in your experiment results, and finally you are going to link to your hypothesis. And most important thing, we cannot exaggerate. I have often seen that many students are going to exaggerate that they have done this blah blah blah, but actually you cannot exaggerate. You have to only mention those parts which you have already discussed, and so that a reader can know what you have actually had, but in a limited way. So what are those points which we should consider while writing the conclusion? So as I have already accepted, we have to describe our results in the broader context. I mean, we are not going to pinpoint minor results. We are only going to focus on those points which are only the broader context and for the broader readership. And next, we are going to summarize only the main findings. Maybe each and every result is not required to discuss in the conclusion section. You are only going to summarize the main findings. So, and you can also point out some limitation as your future statements. So, and if your study is related to some practical application, you can also mention that. So here is another important point which we should think about, that like what is the difference between conclusion and abstract. So let's have a look how conclusion and abstract is different. So we can see that in conclusion section, do we need to give introduction? So no, we are not going to give introduction in conclusion section. But if we talk about introduction, yes, we need to give a general introduction in abstract section. So the next important part is material and method. Do we need to give in conclusion section? So answer is no, we don't need to write material and method section in conclusion section. But while we are writing the abstract section, we need to write material and method section. So similarly, while moving ahead, we are going to write the main result summary. However, in the abstract, we are going to write not only the main result summary, but the whole result summary. So in the conclusion section, we can also focusing on what we hypothesis our met. In the abstract section, we are going to add a conclusion. So in this way, you can differentiate between your conclusion and abstract Hope so you have liked the video. If you have any question, please say me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.